Hello, Heather. Today we are going to work on our strengthening our fingers and wrists. So I know that this is an area for you that is very precious, and before we start doing things pressing down onto the floor, I want you to feel confident about your flexibility and strength here. So this is the index finger knuckle, and it is our first point of contact. Let me show you what I mean on the wall. So go to the wall, take your hands, comfortable distance, placing them on the wall. Now, index finger knuckle. So lift all the rest of your hand off. Just press the index finger knuckle against the wall. As you press, widen out to your little finger side and bring your thumb down. Same thing with the other hand. Pressing the index finger knuckle, widening out to the little finger, bringing the full palm onto the wall. Just get the feel of opening up your hands here. Take your feet back, keep them a comfortable distance apart, and feel that little more pressure as you lean into the wall. Okay, walking your hips back, your arms stretching out. Press your hands into the wall and extend your spine. Back you go. Squeezing your elbows towards your ears. Bring yourself in and release. If that's too much on your shoulders, take your hands further up the wall. You can even take them wider, okay? So taking them up, walking back, extending, it's a bit hard to see. Extending your hips back, stretching, pressing your hands into the wall, nice and wide, extending your tailbone back, looking up, breathe. Find a nice rhythm here, breathing in, breathing out. You can do it through your nose if possible, breathing in and breathing out. Walk your feet up, release, and just see how your hands and wrists are feeling. See you next time.